Have you ever had any antique silver plate and it's really worn down to the nickel or the copper, and you just want to be able to sell it, but you don't want to lose money on the value? Today we're going to take a look at a new shine silver plating solution. Now, I've done videos before on silver plating solutions that reckon they do the job, and they really haven't. So I'm going to try this one. This one apparently uses molecular structures to bond pure silver to bronze, copper, nickel and other base metals. So we're going to try it. Now, I've got a piece of silver plate that's already worn, so the nickel is showing through. I'm hoping you can see it there. Can you see that yellow on the back of the spoon? Just there. We're going to do it by there, because a lot of the time that's the condition you'll find your silver plate in, showing the nickel, and you just want to repair it. And this used to be silver plated and it's down to the bare copper. So we're going to have a go, see how it takes to the copper itself. That's the two examples we're going to try today. Now, this is a brand new product. It's not open. You can see it's still sealed. And it is New Shine Silver Solution. And now I've read the instructions, and basically give it a good shake. Clean the products that you're going to use so that it's not going on to dirt and grease and things like that, which I've already done. Now, I've cleaned them and I used a small piece of 0 grade wire wool. Now, I was a bit reluctant to use, it doesn't actually give you massive instructions on this, and it doesn't come with any paperwork. I was reluctant to use brasso and things like that because they contain chemical. Excuse me. They contain chemicals. And my worry was the chemicals would actually react with the silver solution and not work. So I wanted an honest reaction. So what I have done is very simple. Where is it? I put it somewhere. There you go. Now, this is as fine as you get. This is 0 grade. Honestly, it doesn't even hurt if you put it on your arm. Right? It really is as fine as it gets. 0 grade wire wool, and all I've done, cleaned the area very lightly. Now, be very careful, because you do not want to strip what silver plate you have left on the item you want to repair. But for this circumstance now, because I just want to test the solution, and these two pieces are at my scrap pile, I give them a really good clean. So the yellow is really showing through on this one. Alright, so there you go, there's the yellow spot there, well, patch. And I've also cleaned one area of this, which is just there. So, what it says is to shake very well, use a clean cloth, apply generously and keep rubbing, and then leave to dry. And if it needs redoing, keep redoing it so that you thicken up the silver plating. So shall we try and see if it works? Now, this is not a cheap product. I paid let me start off by saying this is not a paid promotion. These are videos I do to help the people on my channel. So I paid for this solution. It hasn't been given to me, and I paid about £14 or £15 for it. So it's not a cheap thing. It really isn't. So you can see I've just unwrapped it now. Give it a shake. Now, the first one I'm going to do, I'm going to try it on the copper. So, let's have a look. How much am I going to put on? So, hopefully you can see that. The light may be a bit strong. Hopefully you can see that on there. I haven't put tons and tons on there. we're going to repeat. Now, that is what have come off the copper, or the colour combination of the two, with probably a chemical reaction. However, look at that. It's actually stuck a bit of silver to the copper. This is the first product that's actually worked. So I'm going to apply a bit more. Again, not tons. And we're going to carry on. See if we can make a better covered area. Well, I gotta be honest with you, right? I'm actually amazed. It's the first product that's actually done any type of success. Now, it's far from perfect. You'd have to do this probably 10 or 15 coats to put an entire plating over this. But take a look at that. See that? Look at that. I actually applied silver to the copper. It's actually not bad, you know. I'm actually really surprised at that. Now we're going to try this one. Now the light's off, I wonder if you can see it a bit better. See it there at the base of the spoon? So we're going to see if we can get rid of that totally. Again, another drop of this magic solution. It's very expensive magic solution. You know, shockingly it's working. You can still see the patch. It's probably going to take quite a few coats to build up to the level of the rest of the spoon, but look at that. That yellow is now silver. You can still see where the patch was, but it's silver instead of yellow. And that's off a few seconds. If I applied a few coats, if this was a valuable piece, I would obviously be applying many coats to get whatever it needs to get it right. And how good I can actually make this spoon. I'm really impressed with the result. Still, you can still see the visibility of it. You can still see it there, but it's no longer yellow as silver. So I have absolutely no doubt whatsoever that with more layering, this product would totally hide that. And that have shocked the hell out of me. Look at that. You can see the silver on the copper. I have never had a product work before. They never do what they say on the tin. They never do. And this, as I said, is not a paid promotion. I've done this. It's an experiment for myself, experiment for my channel, and to help my subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the like bell for notifications. I also have 50-60 videos of this type in my how-to section of my YouTube channel. All videos designed to help you. That is what you're looking at. New Shine silver plating solution. Now this is a tiny tub. This is a 50 milliliter tub, so it's tiny. And it was like 14 or 15 pounds. But if you have a nice piece of antique WMF or something really nice, you know, missing a bit of plate, the difference between selling it for 30, 40 pounds or selling it for 140 pounds could be this solution. That's going in my little toolbox of future tools when I have projects that need repairing. But all in all, I think that's fabulous. I'll splice in some photographs of these two at the end so you can see just how well they've actually stuck. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. I hope you find it helpful, and I hope this product actually makes you some money in the future. Bye for now, guys.